years ago, 18, 20 years ago, whatever, I actually got a degree in marketing and advertising. And then I promptly went into ministry work. We got to a point in our lives where we were looking at wanting to do ministry work forever. We felt prompted to sell our home. We moved to a town where quite literally home prices are double. So that got me thinking about what can I do on the side. And I knew I didn't want to go back to what I did when I was newly married and, run a paper route in the morning. So I started researching online. I found a program that really made a lot of sense to me, jumped on board with that, learned some great skills, started following Cory's training and doing a lot of things that way.
You've now got the base of 28 digital storefront sites. You're at a position now to where those sites are starting to sell, you're starting to get calls, you're starting to get leads. My guess would be at this point, you're probably making as much or more from digital storefronts as you probably make from your job, don't you? Yep.
So 5 years ago, when I started this journey, I tried to do it all myself. I learned what it takes to build a website, what it takes to rank a website. So I feel like I could do it all myself, but not if I want to be where I'm at. I got where I'm at because I did a lot of different things, and I had probably what everyone has, the oh shiny syndrome. You have to outsource. You have to find someone to outsource this to, because otherwise, especially if you have a full-time job like me, you've got to be up at 3 a.m. and you will put in 4 hours, and then you got to come home and put in 4 more hours if you want to build this mini site. It can be done, but it's not the lifestyle I want. That's where I turned to you guys. I had 28 sites, 20 built from you guys. And just this last couple weeks, my phone has been ringing.
Yeah, and this isn't even the season for it yet.
No,
like most of the sites that you guys have are in Utah and those markets.
Yeah, there's concrete and deck. And people are like, I want my work done. I'm like, why? It's freezing out there. But
not too long ago, you added a client and then they wanted another site. And so now you've got 2 sites going to one guy, so you're doubling your income. Those are the kinds of things that you don't expect initially, that all of a sudden you've gone from just having a couple of sites to this many sites to now you've got almost 30 sites. If you rented all of those sites right now, even at $500, I mean, you're talking $15,000 a month in income. That's not normal ministry salary kind of money.
You can go out and you can find a bunch of part-time jobs and you can drive Uber. Those will all work. I just cannot think of another way to make money as easy. It does take time to rank a site, but if you follow a process that works, it takes a lot less time than some others. So maybe initially it'll be 2 months before your phone starts ringing, maybe.
I love the fact that we've been able to kill your wife's job. I love the fact that we've already doubled your income. And now I know that this year, man, you could double that, triple that pretty easily just with what you already have.